So I bet you didn't know that computers can talk to each other.
Say what?
Of course you did. That's how the world works these days. But how do we play with it and how do we learn it from the ground up? One tool that you're going to come across in your hacking journey is Netcat. Without a doubt, one of the best and most powerful tools in your arsenal. You can use it to do so many things. And what I'm going to show you here is the absolute basics of Netcat. How to get two computers on the same network talking to each other. So let's have a look. This computer here is the Mac Mini, and over here off camera I have a MacBook Air. I know the IP address of the MacBook Air. I can set up a listener on the MacBook Air that will listen for incoming connections from any other device on my home network. So the syntax is NC-L to set up the listener. And then you have to specify a port, and we're going to use port 1337. So the MacBook Air is now listening on that port, and back on the Mac Mini, we are going to connect NC 192.168.1.132. That's the IP address of the MacBook Air, and we know it's port 1337. And it looks like nothing's happened. And even over on the MacBook Air, it looks like nothing has happened. But if I type hello, you can see that that message has now appeared on the MacBook Air. And if I move over to the Air and type goodbye, boom, it's back on the Mac Mini. So you could be sitting in your home, talking with your family members or your friends, not even using the wider internet like WhatsApp or iMessage or Facebook. You're just in terminal having a chat. That is the power and the simplicity of Netcat. So that's it. Netcat, super powerful. What you just saw here is the absolute basics. Go and check it out, read the manual, have a play.